How to easily cancel your Roblox Premium subscription. So to start, what we need to do is to open our Roblox account, and then in here we'll have to go on the bottom right part of our screen and then tap on the more option. Under here, we'll have to scroll down and tap on the settings option. After that, under settings, you will now see the subscription option. What we need to do is to tap on this one. So in here, as you can see, I don't have any subscription. But if you have a premium subscription on your Roblox account, you're supposed to see your subscription under the active option. Once you see it, go on the right part of the screen and then tap on the arrow icon. After that, it will show you all the details of your subscription. Once you see the details, all you need to do is to scroll down and then tap on the option Cancel Renewal. So that's how easy you can cancel Roblox Premium subscription. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!